In the last video, we created a new version of the email signing model that is based on change notifier. And before we see how to use this model class, I want to open the old email signing block class. And as you can see, this class has a number of useful methods that we are using in our email signing form. And what we want to do is to copy these methods over to our new model class. So I can copy this code and then get back to the email signing change model, and I can paste it over here. And there is one small fix that I need to do on the toggle form type method, and that is to replace this reference to underscore model, which I don't have anymore, and I can replace this with this, like this. And all this syntax does is to reference the form type variable for the current instance, which is stored over here. And just to be clear, I'm using this to disambiguate between the form type instance variable and the local form type variable that is declared inside this method. Okay, so let's carry on, and I can get back to the block class once again. And as you can see, I also have this submit method over here. And we use this to call into our auth object so that we can authenticate with Firebase. So what I'm going to suggest is that we also copy this method over to the model class. So I can copy these lines, and then back here, I can go to the top and paste it over here. And now there are a few things that I need to fix. First of all, I want to fix all these references to model because the properties that I need are already stored in this class. So what I can do is just to remove this model dot from here and here and here and here as well. And then I still have one problem, and that is that this method needs access to the auth object in order to sign in or create an account with email and password. And the way we can fix this is by adding auth as a property to this class. So over here, I can add a final auth base auth property like this, and I can import auth.dart, and then I can add this as a required property like this. Okay, so with this last change, we have managed to move over all the code that was originally stored in the email signing model and the email signing block into a single model class that is based on change notifier. So let's continue on the next video where we will see how to use this class.